go. That's pretty loud, isn't it? What did you think of that, Garrett? There, come on, I see another one. I see another. Here he comes. Stick your hand out. Come on, Chickadee. Come on. Come and eat from Garrett's hand. Chickadee. Call him, Garrett. Great. Okay.
They ate all of it.
They didn't eat all of it?
No.
Okay, he's coming back.
No, they ate all of it. Look at it. They ate all of it.
Chickadee, come on. Come on. Flat hand, Garrett. Flat hand. They don't like it if they think you're gonna. They don't like it if they think you're gonna do this to their hands, to their head. That's why they want your hand flat. Cool.
They like it.
And what would you do with him if you took him home?
I'm in a cage.
Well, would that be fun? Would you like someone to take you somewhere and put you in a cage? I didn't think so.
Chickadee, baby. 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 Chickadee, baby.